25th Safar al-Muzaffar, Urs Mubarak of Ala Hazrat Imam Ahmad Raza Khan, alayhi Rahmatur Rahman, Imam Ahl Sunnat, Mujaddid Deen o Millat, Hazrat Allama Maulana Al-Haj Al-Hafiz Al-Qari, Imam Ahmad Raza Khan, alayhi Rahmatur Rahman, was born on the 10th of Shawwal al-Mukarram in 1272 Hijri, corresponding to the 14th of June 1856 AC in Bareilly Sharif, UP, Hind. He fulfilled the great responsibility of the revival of the Deen and the reformation of the nation. He exposed those people who distorted the teachings and beliefs of Islam. He distinguished the truth and evil forces with a bold distinction. The great translation in Urdu of the Holy Quran was done by him, and it refreshes our Iman and tells us the essence of Islam. His great work, Fatawa Razaviyya, is full of divine and spiritual knowledge, which fulfills the demands of the true seekers of knowledge all over the world. According to the statement of the commentator of Bukhari Sharif, Allama Shariful Haq Amjadi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh, the real number of pages that he had written is more than 116,000. It was he who inspired the hearts of the Ummah with the true love of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. He was fully inspired with the true love of Rasulullah Sallallahu Ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. His discourses and writings reflect his true love of the beloved Rasul Sallallahu Ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. His compositions of Na'at Sharif, called Hadaik-e-Bakhshish, is pleasant to recite, and his famous salam, Mustafa Jani Rahmat Pelako Salam, Sham'i Bazme Hidayat Pelako Salam, is a bright example of his devotion and Iman. In short, Islamic values and true beliefs were enhanced by virtue of the simplicity of his lifestyle and honesty of deeds. Hazrat Allama Maulana Al-Haj Al-Hafiz Al-Qari, Imam Ahmad Raza Khan, alayhi Rahmatur Rahman, passed away on Jumu'atul Mubarak, the 25th of Safar al-Muzaffar in 1340 Hijri, corresponding to the 28th of October 1921 AC. His holy shrine is situated in Bareilly Sharif, UP, Hind. May the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
ये